Hi, hello, welcome to Manama India A to Z channel. Today recipe is tapioca recipe. Ingredients needed: tapioca 500 grams. First, peel the tapioca, then cut with small sizes. The pure water. Then take a 3-liter pressure cooker. Then put the tapioca pieces. Then add pure water. 500 ml pure water add. Then close the pressure cooker, flame on, high flame, 3 whistle, then off the flame. The tapioca is now cooked. In a filter, change tapioca in a bowl, then add turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, curry leaves, salt 1 tablespoon, 1 spoon coconut oil. Then mix it well. Then flame on low flame. To cook 5 minutes, then to change a serving bowl. The very tasty delicious tapioca recipe is ready. Thank you for watching.